Hey, hello, and welcome to a new travel video. It stopped raining. 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 It's just gray now. The wind has dropped. It's less cold, and today the sun is going to come up.
Sun is shining.
Not yet. This afternoon it will be more sunny. We are going to start the day with a market here in Benidorm. And then this afternoon we're going to do a hike in a canyon, and it's a new one. It's just opened like 2 months, and there's a wooden bridge that they are hanging in the canyon with some panoramic views with a glass bottom. So nice to do. But first we're going to do the market because they like it. And if we were in south of France, I always said I want to do the market, and there was no market. Yeah. So now we're gonna do a market with them. After the market, we find a place to eat something small. But it's gone now. I was too late to film it because everybody was maybe a little bit hungry.
You just forgot.
I just forgot. Yeah, that's true. I just forgot. So we ate a sandwich with some chips, and but we have to go back to our tiny house because with the oldest person in the company, me, you always have problems. I forgot my sunglasses because this morning it was not sun yet. No sun yet. I cannot stand bright lights. It hurts my eyes. It hurts my head. It's. I have to wear sunglasses. Little change of plans. I have my sunglasses and the canyon that we planning to do, and we search it on Google Maps, and we see that the canyon is between there. So the clouds are still on the mountains, so it will not be fun to do that hike now because it will be cold, not beautiful. So we're going to do that later on this week. And if you saw my travel vlogs last time from Spain, you saw that I was afraid of heights, and we did a very beautiful walk here up. So we went that way. But there's another walk. It's an easy walk with very good paved streets. Look at the views. Look at that. This is so beautiful here. This is really a day between cold and warm. One moment I say I want to wear a hat because I'm very cold, but when the sun peeping through the clouds, it's really peeping. It's really hot, and I'm too warm. I want to take off my jacket. But look at the view. This is the last time we were here in Albir. We say we were crazy about this place. Yes, I still have the same idea. There is a cache. There's a cache here on the sign. There's a cache here on the sign. The hint is sign. So maybe behind this. There's a rope. Oh! Arco!
Waar dan?
Found it!
Oh my. Ik heb een pin ook gevonden.
What?
Found them all.
Up, up, up.
Up, 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 uppie.
What?
Ken je dat niet?
Nee, wat?
Up, up, uppie.
There's a geocache here. Geocache, geocache. Yes! Geocache man. Was a quiet beach place, and I decided to go live ASMR live of the beach. So if you go to my channel, you will see that. If you like ASMR, I will put it on the ASMR Hair Buddha also. Just random beaches that I will do this week. What is you lost the way?
Yes.
You lost the way?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. You found it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, what are you doing?
It's working all out.
I got that.
Okay.
If your body dies, eh?
If your body dies. What the hell?
You've made it. Hello. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
I'm thirsty.
And me too. We're going to drink something.
We are back in Albir. We love it here. In November we were here too, and it seems we always come back here. So we're going to drink something and maybe an ice cream. It's hot, so I want an ice cream now.
Brownie?
Yes. Whoa. Mmm. So nice. This is. Mmm.
This is...
So after our nice cookie and ice cream, it was really yummy. It was really yummy. We decided to go to Altea. We wanted to show the kids the nice little town.
Arco.
Arco. That's the name of my son. So we want to show Altea to the kids. The endless road of stairs. They are the stairs to heaven. Beautiful here.
Yes.
Mary.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Wow.
She's so happy.
Why are you happy? Because you have something? What's in the bag?
Wat is dat? Een robbe? Nee.
A robe? A rob.
A drop. A dress.
Dress?
Wait,
So
that's from you, eh?
that's my new shirt. Look, with skulls. And that's your dress. Show me.
Yeah.
Show me. I will. Oh yes. Cool. What do you have?
Yes.
You have also. What are you doing? You're in Altea and you're sitting on your cell phone.
Ja. Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Taking a picture of myself
Taking a picture of yourself?
because I'm sunburned.
Okay.
A
Okay.
dress.
Nice.
A dress.
Nice. And this is my new shirt. Look at all the skulls.
It's a
You will,
hint.
you will see it in one of my reaction videos. I will wear it, and every time, if you see this vlog, and you see me wearing this, put it on my reaction video. I saw it where you bought it. You bought it in Altea. Put it in the reactions. Then I know you're following me on my travel channel. So we are back very early, and we cannot eat yet. So Matt, with the sunset. I'm just putting all these Dutch words in the middle of my English language. Okay, with the sunset, we're going to take you to a tour. A tour. Oh, a tour in this Robin Hood Magic Park. So the park is really beautiful. It's in theme of Robin Hood, but the houses. I'm not a big fan of the tiny houses. But okay, let's see the park. So this is the park, and we have here also soccer. Soccer, football, soccer. It's really a big park. It's not something for us anymore. We like to travel around. We like to visit things. So maybe this is the last time we went to a vacation park, or it should be with my grandchildren. Maybe something to vlog in 10 years from now, if you are still here on my channel. But it's really clean.
It's not for us, and it's not a good weather for the houses.
Yes.
That's
If it's in the summer, I think it's really too hot in the summer.
Then
but-
you have airco. It works really good.
Yes, it blows cold wind.
Ja, dat is hem. Dat was slim.